Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can hard reset Oppo Qualcomm phones without using your PC or without any tool. So if your device is also locked, you can remove the screen password with the method. So here we go. All you have to do is power off the phone, and let me just show you. You have to hold the power key and the volume down or volume up key. You can try both keys because different models have different keys to enter the recovery mode. You just have to hold these keys until your device enters recovery mode. I'm holding the volume up key because volume down key is not working on that model. So you can just check the keys in your phone as models you have. Okay, here we go. And that's it, the device is now in recovery mode. Now you have to tap on format data, and from here you can hard reset your phone by entering the code which is on the phone screen. Here you can see 0168. You can enter this code and your device will be reset. Every time you try to reset your phone, you will see a different code. So I hope this video will help you. So guys, that's all in this video. Make sure to subscribe the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.